And now we can workflow one invoice intake from Gmail and check is it invoice and PDF or not. We will now test this workflow in production mode. So we will send or invoice from a client or account or client Gmail to the one of the three account or accounts of a company. There is no Microsoft account here because it prevented from Egypt. We can't subscribe with Microsoft Azure because we can't pay anything outside Egypt. So I make my the flow with Gmail, and if there is any account, any Microsoft Azure account, I will use it and handle the data successfully. So we'll try with Gmail. Let's assume that is line the Gmail we will send to the one of the three account company accounts subject or this or do we want to search the invoice file. Invoice just we send it. Okay, we will go to the one of the company accounts, one of the three company accounts. Here we receive where now the invoice here and automatically when it ends send it to the main account that receive or all the account, all invoices. You will see. And finally we receive the invoice from the one of the three company account which means or this is account we think from. This is the main name, client name, the date, the subject, and the account we sent from one of the or company accounts, one of the three company accounts, and here is the invoice. So we will move to the second flow. And when first with the flow, we finish with work, it will do it in, send that invoice to Google Drive, this account, 2026, June, invoice intake, and this is the invoice we sent before. We will move to second workflow. This workflow that sent the invoice when the invoice was sent go to Google Drive account, in receive trigger and download file and extract data and extract this data and extract data from the invoice and send it to Google sheet. As we would see, this sheet where we extracted on data, it's the type from or the type from reference database, and we type account number, post number, the WST number. That data come from that workflow. That workflow work after that workflow. It compare with invoice with invoice type with the tax advisor for reference database and update the invoice with its values, account number or WST number, and write that here. Type this data comes from this data comes from reference database. We will move to the second, yeah, or to the fourth workflow. Extract data from CAMT file. Okay, once the customer line upload this CAMT file, n8n receive the trigger from Google Drive on the file and extract all data, bank account data, and compare it with your reference with uh, invoice database. We will try it now. We will upload here. This is the last one upload. We will upload new one. Here. We will that. It is a workflow. We save or secure that and extract the data. It happened now. We will see that in the thread. We will now see the execution successfully. We will see that data is real or sheet. It take some time. And the invoice number. Sorry, this is invoice number. We will see the data. We'll see CMT data. Yes. And this is for our reference. We look between CMT data. We match between CMT database and invoice database. And now we will extract or the its data. And as we see here, we will provide match invoice data with CMT database, or we match using for our reference and the payment reference. So we will merge that we extract to get and status match it with CMT. And this will make a copy of that file in folder in our drive. We will see it now. And here is folder drive, name invoices folder, the name of our new our new our copy from the original invoice. As you see, it was successful. And this is workflow 7 update reference. That means when there is there is the company or account name in the reference database here, where the user will go to write the new one, and it will save in database for Google Sheet, except when the user, sorry, when the user update an invoice, when the user update an invoice here, or an invoice, sorry, here, when there is, assume that zero, we will now see that was empty. So while the user write the account number and MC number, and that receive the trigger, it will save automatically in in text advisor database or reference database. We'll back. It's success, but we're going to take some time. And this is Workspace 7 update to reference database. When we change hide the values on invoice database, the values will automatically write in the record. We will try it again more. We will change it like that. We will see the difference here. We will that we will execute now. It now running, and it finally updated the new values 88 and 808, 909, sorry, with our new values. We can add the values we want, that values we add here, and this if it is none, it will be read to make the client to update that. Once he update it, it will be in new in tax advisor database or reference data. And finally, this is the it to Flux extract tax advisor file. This is the flow we use to extract the data from or advisor file, and we produce or that file, that Google Sheet. Finally, I hope you like my project, and thank you. And I hope we will contact soon. Thank